Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a short video to have a look at the Welch Radford. We've got the cheese knife here, so you can see it's got a bit of a sharper blade and then the little fork on top. And then we've also got the butter knife, which is a nice, here we go. There we go, so we've got the butter knife here. It's stainless steel, see it's got a thicker blade end here. So yeah, they're both 18/10 polished stainless steel, and they work very well actually. Quite nice and small. And there we go. You can see it's not sharp at all. Well, it's a butter knife. And then we've got the cheese knife here, which is more slightly sharper, and it works really well. Anyway. That's it really, just a nice little look.